How is it going, everybody? Welcome back to Trades and Gains, where we watch Wall Street do its best impression of a toddler on espresso, erratic, impulsive, and occasionally hilarious. Today, tariffs are back. Walmart said your avocados are about to cost more, and the NASDAQ finally said, I need a break. Meanwhile, the Dow's out here dancing like it didn't get the memo. Let's break down the madness, the money moves, and the monster whale bets hiding in today's flow. To kick things off, let's talk numbers, folks. We had the S&P 500 with a 0.41% gain, slow and steady, pretending it's unbothered. The Dow Jones rose about 0.65%. Apparently, Walmart inflation is good now. And the NASDAQ fell about 0.18%. Break its 6-day streak. Sad beep for them. SPY and QQQ, green but barely. QQQ is absolutely tired, folks. Now let's talk about Walmart. Walmart just hit us with a reality check. CFO said some prices will rise by double digits. And this isn't maybe, it's a confirmed checkout pain. They beat earnings but lowered guidance. Why? Because of this tariff chaos they're currently in. Margins are thin, and they aren't eating the cost, by the way. Translation, you're about to pay more for deodorant, cereal, and probably those $2 clearance socks. Now, let's go ahead and talk about our retail sales as well. April retail sales are up 0.1%, but control group sales are down 0.2%. Now, what the hell does that mean exactly? Consumers blew their stimulus wad early, and now they're ghosting the checkout aisle. Walmart's cautious tone confirms the consumer is pulling back, not dead, just broke. We also had tech stumbling with defenses rising. We had the NASDAQ down with tech leaders caught in catching the flu. Meanwhile, utilities and staples are the jocks this week. Dollar General's up 6%, with Deere up 4%, hit an all-time high despite dropping on profit. The rotation alert, growth to safety. So is gold going to make a comeback maybe? Frothy AI names, you better have a catalyst or a prayer. Now, inflation data versus reality. PPI dropped, by the way, down 0.5% versus 0.3% estimated. And that is a very cool number, folks. But Walmart just told us inflation is lurking in the bushes. Even Powell said we may be entering a period of more frequent supply shocks. The translation, CPI may look pretty, but your wallet probably won't. Now, the Iran deal rumors here. WTI crashed down 3% and Brent crashed 3%. Goldman says if the deal closes, oil averages $60. That's a gut punch for energy names. Supply tsunami plus a macro fog equals not a good outlook for the oil bulls out here. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of our biggest movers from the day as well today. We had Meta down 2.35%, delayed their AI project. Behemoth, oof, talk about a kick in the balls. Coin is down 7.2%. Hackers leaked data, demanded $20 million in ransom, and Coin said nah and offered a bounty instead. What a bunch of savages, but what a kick in the balls to the stock. And we had United Healthcare drop another 11%. The DOJ is investigating, folks. That's not a headline that you want if you're a multi-billion-dollar company. Now, some of our winners, Foot Locker is up 86%. Oh my God. Oh my God. They got bought by Dick's Sporting Goods for a small fraction of $2.4 billion. What? Anyways, Deere was our next big one. They beat, then cut guidance, classic sandbagging. Now let's go ahead and move over to Investor Central Club, our favorite options screener of the day. And if you want this, by the way, we just dropped a new code, code 130. Get your first month of Investor Central Club for only $30, folks. Now, Some big money moves today. We had SPY, a $595 call for 3.46 million bet. We keep grinding. GLD, we had a $340 call with $5.78 million behind it. The gold bet equals an inflation hedge. Tesla, we had a $465 call. A 37% move is expected here, folks. Is that a new position? Weird but interesting. We had MSTR. We had a $245 put bought. Someone's betting on crypto tanking. We had Eli Lilly $850 calls. FDA Catalyst ahead, maybe. And we had Home Depot with a $333 put. Housing fears are starting to creep in. In the dark pools, oh boy, we had some massive stealth trades. We had 214 million for QQQ at the $518 and $96 level. We had MSTR with a $203 million at the $406 level. And we had GPN leading the pack today with a $341 million print. Is big money sniffing something else? Now, here is our takeaway from the day. Tariffs are the villain. Again, Walmart's the reluctant hero. Tech is tired. Staples are flexing and options flow is loud, but it's also directionally mixed. This ain't a bull or bear market. It's a bring your umbrella and your SPF kind of day. Subscribe for daily flow breakdown. Smash that like button like it's a Tesla breakout, and drop your market take in the comments below. Are you rotating into defensive, buying the dip in oil, or hedging for the next CPI surprise? By the way, use code 130 for full access to flow scanners and dark pool alerts powered by Investor Central Club at checkout, and you'll get your first month for only $30. Stay sharp, stay tactical, and remember, the whales don't sleep, but we watch them. Have a good night, and I'll see y'all in the next one for our options midday update.